Hi guys, so when you want to modify tests, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the test you want to modify. Once you open it, you're going to have some options. You want to select view and copy. In order to modify it, you need to make a copy of it first. So you click view and copy. And then there will be an option down here that says copy assessment. You're going to click that. It'll make an additional copy of it. That way you still have your original in case you need to go back to it. So once you go into your copy, you can simply scroll down and look at each question. So it gives you 3 variations for each question. If you find a question that you would like to edit, you click edit. And then you're able to edit some different options. For this one, it's just allowing you to edit the way the question is written. And you can also change different templates for the formula. I wouldn't mess too much with that right now, but it is an option in the future. And then you can also select or set correct answers rather. Another option you have whenever you're in here, if you see a question that you feel doesn't at all meet your grade level standard, or it doesn't align to the objective of that lesson, if you think it's just completely out there, unfair question, you also have the option just to remove it from the test. So to do that, you can click delete and it'll completely remove it from the test. As you go through and edit, it's really important to click done and save for each step, or unfortunately you'll lose your work. That's happened to me before. Whenever you're finished editing and modifying all of the problems that you want to modify, so you've gone through all of them, done what you want to do, you want to click save at the very end again. And then one of the other more important things that you need to do is you need to make sure that you exempt your students from the original version of the test. That way they're only seeing the copied version, and that's the one they'll need to complete.